All right, so we are going to be on the second part of this worksheet where it says number 7. Pretend the amount of Skittles in a Halloween mini pack is always around 12. So we're going to, it's always 12. How many Skittles mini packs could you make with your regular size pack of Skittles? So you have a couple choices. Mathematically, if you're going to go the one way, we can just count out 12 and put them in groups of 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's a mini pack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Another mini pack. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Another mini pack. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And maybe this is another one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So I'm going to just put a circle around this one. So this is 11. So we have 11 out of 12 that make a pack. Right here we have another 12 out of 12. We have another 12 out of 12. Another 12 out of 12. So we have another pack. And finally we have another 12 out of 12. And we had a total of 59 Skittles in this pack. So, oops, I'm gonna cut that one out a little bit. Oops, sorry. So we had 12 out of 12. And, we had 59 total. And we were trying to put them into packs of 12, which we did. We put them into packs of 12. And if we count by 12s, 12, 24, 36, 48, 48 plus 11 would get us to 59. So when you're doing this, you can divide, when you're finding your whole numbers, you can say how many times does 12 go into 59 equally, and it would go in 4 whole times since our whole bags, 1, 2, 3, 4 whole bags, and then we would count how many we have left over, and we would take the 48 away from this one, which would get us 11 out of 12. So if we were going to do this, and it says to draw and record your fraction down below, I'd cut this off so I could fit everything on here. So I'm just going to take it off since I did cut it off. Draw and record your fractions. So we had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another pack. And I'm going to keep, so that's 24, 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives us to 48. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11, and this gets us to 59. So I have 11, and I'm not going to circle, this is 11 out of 12. So we have 4 whole packs and 11 out of 12 in our other pack. And we got just by counting. And again, another thing you could have done is shown 12, 12, 12, and 12 to show that you have all of those with 12, which would be 48, and then 11. And that would show you have these are all out of 12. Now it says, so how many mini Skittles? We should really make sure we answer this. 4 whole packs of mini Skittles. I'm going to say mini up here. Whole mini packs of Skittles. because they're actually not mini Skittles, they're mini packs. And Skittles should be capitalized because it is the name of them. All right, so we're done with that. A lot of fractions is just counting in groups. So it's multiplication and dividing things and figuring out how many you have when you're sharing them. And I'm erasing this because I don't want to get this black ink stuff everywhere. All right, now next part. At the movie theater, a pack of Skittles comes in a box weighing 113 grams. How much would each Skittle cost if the box was $4.50? And we had a total, and each Skittle weighed 1.25 grams. So we're going to figure that out by taking 113 grams and we could do the 0.4 and 4/10 divided by the 1 25/100 of a gram that the one Skittle weighs. Because what we're trying to know is how much does each Skittle, how many Skittles are in here? So we would take our calculator and say, okay, 113 4/10 divided by the 1 25/100 of the gram. That gets us about 90. So we're not going to try to talk about parts of a Skittle, or we could say 91 and round up, so we can say 91 Skittles about. So we have about 91 Skittles. So that's the unit weight, and that was the total weight. So we have about 91 Skittles. Now, the box of Skittles weighs costs $4.50. I can't believe it. Sometimes when I go to the movie theater, it's like, it's so much money. So if I have $4.50, I'm going to enter that into my calculator, and I divide that by all of the Skittles all together, 91 Skittles. That tells me that each of my Skittles is about 4/100 of a dollar, and the coin that makes hundredths is pennies, so 4/100 of a dollar. So I have 49 thousandths. So if I round this up, that's a big difference. That's so close to 5 cents. So divided by the 91 gets us to, I'm going to say 0.05, so 5 cents, because I'm rounding up. Because the fraction's so small there, and really I could have done that with some of these as well, but I was trying to be more accurate. So now I have each Skittle is about 5 cents. That's crazy. Now it says how much did the single Skittles cost from the bag that was 75 cents. So this one in this bag, and I can check my work too. If I had 91 Skittles and I charged 5 cents for each Skittle, I would have charged $4.55. Because we are working with fractions and we round it up, we're changing that by a total of 5 cents. But that's accurate. So about 5 cents. And I'm going to put the word about because we did a little bit of estimating there. Now it says how much more is that than the single Skittles. So we know the movie theaters are going to charge more because that's what they need to do. People don't go there all the time. So I paid 75 cents and I had 59 Skittles. So if I paid 75 cents and I divide it by the 59 Skittles that were in the bag, that means each Skittle was 0.01, so 1/100th or 1 penny. So I'm paying 5 times more for Skittles at the movie theater. So I took 75 cents and divided it by my 59. And that means I got a total of 1 cent per Skittle. Crazy to think. 5 times more. All right. Have fun eating your Skittles.